Truenet test, prelims point of view. This test is in the news recently. What is that test, or that test is testing which disease? Nympha virus is in the news. In the last week current affairs, it is there. I discussed about Nympha virus. Now, advanced Nympha virus already we discussed in the last class current affairs. Now, which test we are using to identify Nympha virus? The test name is called as Truenet test. Truenet test to identify Nympha. To identify Nympha. Molecular diagnostic test. Portable chip-based, battery-operated, developed by Goa-based company. Real-time polymerase chain reaction test. World Health Organization approved Truenet for detecting TB also. So, this test for TB as well as prelims point of view. So many times we saw PYQs, previous year's question. This test is used for testing which disease? Current affairs oriented only we have to do. Truenet test for testing TB as well as Nympha. Earlier it was used for TB, now they also shifted it to Nympha. Truenet test. Which technology they will be using? Polymerase chain reaction technology. Which technology they will be using? Polymerase chain reaction means DNA. Virus, so RNA. In bacteria there will be DNA, in virus there will be RNA.